Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Steno Karo India. Let me tell you that the photos of dictation in the description box is provided. After dictation, you download it. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So ready friends, start. The era of communication education has already begun. Full stop. The 21st century will be in the grip of technological changes, particularly in the field of information and communication technologies. Full stop. World over, governments are addressing themselves to this development and are formulating their strategies to make use of IT in improving their competitive edge in business and in providing a better quality of life to their citizens. Full stop. Para. Broadly speaking, IT deals with information system, data storage, access, retrieval, analysis and intelligent decision making for enhancing organizational effectiveness. Full stop. IT is the technology of the present and of the future too. Full stop. Convergence of telephone, computer and television technologies have become a reality in the 20th century, the next century should conceive of and achieve something more novel and exciting. Full stop. High-speed networks, also referred to as information superhighways, convey material that is at once rich and varied. Full stop. These have enormous potential for education, business and other sectors of society. Full stop. Para. Having realized that IT is a valuable tool with which tremendous progress can be achieved in various fields of human activity, nations of the world are addressing themselves to the mechanism by which the benefit of the IT revolution can reach the common man. Full stop. This is becoming a particularly significant point for deep consideration by developing countries which are keen to take advantage of the new scenario. Full stop. Para. Singapore is aiming to become an intelligent Iceland by the year 2000. Full stop. The government of India has identified IT as one of the thrust areas and a number of steps have been taken to support and promote the IT industry. Full stop. Some of the state governments have initiated a number of measures making the most of technological change. Full stop. This means that computer education will be provided in all schools, colleges, universities and other educational institutions. Full stop. This involves elaborate planning which will include training of manpower, allocation of adequate funds for training and equipment and close monitoring of the entire process. Para. It is in this context that the British government's consultation paper under the title The Learning Society in the Information Age (December 1997) might serve as a useful point of reference, taking note of the fact that technology, having revolutionized the way we work, is now set to transform education, the British government has facilitated every school in Britain to get connected to the information superhighway, thereby allowing schools to connect with one another and link them to all learning institutions, whether libraries, colleges, universities, museums or galleries. The plan to create a national grid in Britain, a mosaic of interconnected networks and education services based on the internet, which will support teaching, learning, training and administration in schools, colleges, universities, libraries, the workplace and homes, and a way of finding and using online learning and teaching materials has been achieved. If you really love this dictation today, like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe Steno Karo India to receive wonderful dictation. Thank you.